So first off, I have an x minus 4 in parentheses. That's a horizontal liar. The first thing I want to find is the vertex, which its vertex would be at 4, 0, because there's a horizontal shift, not 4 left, but 4 right. And there's no vertical shift, so it's a 0. So there's a vertex at 4, 0. I know there's no number in front here, so that means it's a solid line going in 1 over 1, my slope. And here's what I want to notice. The bar, there's a bar, so that means it is a line, is part of the solution. And what I'm going to do is go stand on this red dot, and I'm looking for y values that are smaller or less than. That means it would be below it. So I would shade below. All right. Y values that are smaller are going to shade below. This time we have y greater than or equal to x minus 4 minus 3. First, find the vertex. The vertex here is an inside liar, a horizontal liar. It's not negative 4 because it's a minus h. So that means it's a positive 4, negative 3. The y values tell the truth. So the vertex is at 4, negative 3. The slope is a 1, so it's up 1 over 1. And notice this one has no bar, so it's a dashed line or dotted line because the line is not part of the solution. And here, if I'm standing on this, I'm looking for y values that are larger. Well, larger than this means I'd be going up from here, so I shade above. Here I have one. The first thing I still want to find is the vertex. Well, this is an inside liar. It's at 1, 3. But I also have this here, this absolute value. Notice this negative in front. So instead of going up 1 over 1, it's going to go down 1 over 1. It shifted from going up to going down. There is a bar here underneath of it. So that means the line is solid because the line is part of the answer. And I'm looking for values. Now, if I go stand on the vertex, I'm looking for values larger or smaller, greater than or smaller than. Well, the y value has to be greater. So if I'm standing on this red dot, where are y values greater? Well, they're greater going up. So I would shade up. Oh, that makes sense. So this time, I have this graph here. I think it's already graphed for it. I have the point at 3, 0. There's my vertex, all right? And my line is now going up 2 over 1. Thus the slope is not 1 over 1, but up 2 over 1. And it's a solid line because there's a bar. And the y values, I would be shading underneath of it because it does shade other values that are smaller. So that's why it's shaded below.